ABB Robotics recently partnered with UK construction technology company Automated Architecture to build ConstructThor, a new research facility in Belgium to showcase the future of sustainable construction. The companies want to automate building processes with robotic mobile microfactories that build cost-effective and high-quality timber frame panels for walls, floors, and roofs. AUAR's automated construction system employs ABB's robots for modular assembly. The robots use vision and AI capabilities to boost speed, flexibility, and consistency, so panels and housing structures can be made quickly with reduced waste. According to the companies, a robotic microfactory can make the core and shell of a single home in less than 12 hours, which can then be quickly assembled on site. Once it opens, the state-of-the-art ConstructThor Living Lab in Thor Park, Belgium, will be a living laboratory used to research energy-neutral infrastructure and climate-neutral building materials. The project aims to create a climate-neutral, large-scale testing infrastructure that pulls in various research from KU Leuven University and other industry partners to make the construction industry more sustainable. Craig McDonald from ABB Robotics says the global construction industry is responsible for 40% of global CO2 emissions. He says robotic automation can reduce waste and address environmental and workforce challenges currently facing the construction industry. The companies think robots could one day be deployed to a global network of local microfactories, allowing housing to be manufactured close to its final locations with minimal on-site construction required. AUAR already has these microfactories in the UK, Belgium, and the United States. Next year, the firm plans to expand to 10 microfactories, adding 7 partners across Europe and North America. AUAR licenses its microfactory concept and all digital technology to home builders. The price starts around $300,000 plus an ongoing licensing fee. Last year, the company said its system could cut labor costs by 30% and supply chain, transport, and logistics costs by 80%. The company uses a hardware as a service and design as a service business model. By 2030, the company hopes to grow to more than $1.3 billion in revenue. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.